Hey there! Are you tired of seeing your money just sit in your bank account doing nothing? What if I told you that 2025 could be the year you start growing your wealth? Stick around, because in this video, I'm breaking down the simplest way to start investing, even if you're starting from scratch. Welcome to Channel Name, where we make smart investing simple and accessible. Whether you're just out of college or looking to make your money work for you, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. First off, why invest now? Inflation is still a big player in 2025, which means the value of your cash is decreasing over time. By investing, you're not just saving, you're multiplying your wealth. Imagine turning your hard-earned money into more money without lifting a finger. Before you start investing, ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term wealth building? Setting clear goals will help you choose the right investments. For beginners, index funds and ETFs are your best friends. They're low-cost, diversified, and reduce the risk of putting all your eggs in one basket. Platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, and Robinhood make it easy to get started. Imagine betting all your savings on a single stock. Risky, right? Spread your investments across different assets like stocks, bonds, and commodities. This way, if one investment dips, others might hold steady or even rise. One of the best ways to build wealth is to make investing a habit. Set up automatic contributions, so your portfolio grows without you constantly thinking about it. Apps like Acorns and M1 Finance make automation simple. Markets go up and down, but consistency is key. Invest regularly, even during downturns, and think of the long-term picture. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical finance tips. Comment below with your biggest investment challenge. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching. Remember, investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future. Catch you in the next one.